Video 228, we do not have any fucking time. Go here if you want a long explanation. Monkey wrench macros, right here. Okay, rename these. This is where the WebGL context exists now, inside of Gpudata data section. Renamed. This is now a monkey wrench macro. It still exists here, but it's a monkey wrench macro. All these things, we're inside of the resize canvas function. All these things are basic renames. So we're not going to explain anything anymore. You see this REN here? If you see REN in the margins, it means it's a rename refactor. So everything here has just been renamed, refactored. Why are we doing this? Well, because we need to maintain our code quality. You know, we could say, oh, it's no big deal. It's just a little thing that doesn't really matter. Yeah, like 20 little things that don't really matter because, you know, it's slightly wrong, but it's not a big deal. This right here will need to be removed once we start creating our WebGL context where it actually should be created in the GPU data section. Right now, this is improper, but we got to refactor one thing at a time. So we'll remove this orange section later. But anyways. So yeah, it's no big deal. It's no big deal. But then 20 little things later, you have an unmaintainable piece of shit because you weren't meticulous about refactoring when things needed to be refactored. We need a strong foundation for our code base because we're going to write a lot of fucking code. And if we have a shaky foundation, then eventually things are going to become unmaintainable, and before they become unmaintainable, it'll be very slow to implement changes. We are done with our little refactor. Go here if you really want something that explains things more. You have been on the short playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. You have been on video 228 because that's the number in the corner, and video 228, Refactor, GPU Data and GPU Sync, Part 3. Like, subscribe, give me coffee.